Okay, so today we're going to take a look at Unit 4's monopolistic competition graphs. We're going to take a look at the average total cost curves and how that affects whether you're making a profit or a loss. We're going to look at the marginal cost curves and we're going to figure out how you choose where to produce. So first off, to draw or create a monopolistic competition graph, you need to have a downward sloping demand curve, a marginal cost curve, marginal revenue curve here. So let's label these demand, marginal cost, marginal revenue, and then you also need to have an average total cost. So we're going to start out with the graph making a profit, just because I think that's easier. So it's going to go down there, hit marginal cost, and slope back up. That's your average total cost curve. So here, in order to decide where to produce, you always choose the profit maximizing quantity of MR equals MC. So for us, that's right here. So you're going to dot down from there. This is the quantity you're going to produce. To find the price, you're going to go up the demand curve and then go over. That's the price. Now in order to find the profit, you have to look at the average total cost curve. So at MR equals MC, dot up to the average total cost curve. Then you're going to dot over from that. And this area right here is going to be your profit. So here, I've drawn a monopolistic competition graph at a loss. So if you produce at MR equals MC right here, then you go up here, all the way up to your average total cost curve, you're going to dot over from there, then you're going to go back and dot over from where the demand curve is. This area right here is going to be your loss, because it costs you more to produce than people are willing to pay. So the last thing we're going to take a look at here is a monopolistic competition graph in long-run equilibrium. So as you can see, the average total cost curve just barely touches the demand curve right there, and then it continues down on its path, hits marginal cost curve, and then begins its upward slope again. So at MR equals MC right here, it's going to produce at this quantity right there. And it's in a long-run equilibrium, so it's not making a profit or a loss.